the idea of going out just to talk with someone else, like in a different environment, and it means a lot for them. People with these conditions and need constant stimulation. To go for a walk to a garden, for example.
Hi, my name is Brendan. I'm from London and I'm on the MBA course, so an international MBA course, which I chose because I like different cultures and meeting lots of different interesting people.
I think that my team now, we're going to have like a workshop and we can develop our own furniture or work at IKEA, I don't know.
So around noon we got new measurements for our deck, which brought the challenge that we had to recut stuff and find some stuff out and get it redone. But we figured it out, and in the end everything worked out.
You're gonna work in a two gardens that it gives them some way to understand the last days of their lives. We understand here the life like a novel, that if you rip it out the last 20 pages, you don't understand the rest of the book. So here we try to maintain and enrich the last 20 pages of their novels in order to understand their own life.
Well, at first we were outdoors taking photos of what the guys, our classmates, were doing. But when we start doing the tour with the Director of Communications, when we cross the first floor and we start looking at the patients, the doctor, I think that everything changed and we make a click.
I had noticed that it affected you more personally.
No. Yes. When my grandmother got Alzheimer a few years ago before dying, I think that here they could live in a different way and maybe they can enjoy a little bit.
It was sort of a life-changing experience because it was really heartwarming, and my faith in humanity was restored after a while, given everything that's going on.
My name is Balvinder Singh Powar. I'm one of the IE professors who works on team building and leadership skills. And we've been really amazed in this cooperation between IE, Laguna Foundation and Splash. We're not just talking about how to work as a high performance team. They're learning how to do it. They're learning through trial and error, and they're building something tangible that's giving back to society.
It's a really stressful couple of hours trying to get everything done on time so we can do the handover to the hospital, but we're all pulling together, getting those teamwork skills going on. I think we're about ready to finish the project.